Hi everyone, my name is Gary Grudzinskas and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure Hybrid Identity Overview. I've been working and consulting with Microsoft products for over 20 years, and I have noticed we live in a rapidly changing world, changing for both us and the people we support. In this course, you will learn how to embrace these changes and extend your Active Directory up to the cloud. This will give you the ability to incorporate cloud computing within your organization. Some of the major topics we cover: the Azure AD Connect tool, conditional access to resources, application proxy, and all the tools to keep your hybrid environment secure and functioning properly. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Azure and a little more familiar with Active Directory. I hope you'll join me and learn how to connect your on-premises Active Directory up to the Azure Active Directory with Microsoft Azure Hybrid Identity Overview here at Pluralsight.